welcome back to Fat Kid Garage. In today's episode, I figured I drag the T-top Coupe in here and start doing some well-deserved cleanup on it. Kind of found some interesting things. Found a newspaper. It's a Cajun newspaper from 1995 in it. Found some other cool things that I didn't know that were specific to these cars. I know some of the hatchbacks had them, but let me switch the camera around here. But the original T-top bags were still in the car. Kind of sucks that they got ruined, but it was still cool to find them. Also in here were the straps for tying down the T-top bags once you took them out of the car. They were all still in here. Carpet is still in here. It's all wadded up. Oof. But today I figured I'd do a good cleaning of the car and kind of clean out any critters that might be in it and look for any potential bad spots in the body, which I don't think there is any through rust on this car. So kind of follow along and I'll do some sped up video on cleaning it up. And yeah, it's in it's in rough shape, this poor car, but I do believe it is rust free. So check it out. As you can see, so far so good. No rust. Still got some cleaning to do up there, but let's get this carpet unbolted and look at the rest of it. Much better. It's all kind of wiped down, cleaned it out. I think this little back carpet might be salvageable. If not, we'll buy a new one for it. But that's the last thing on this car's mind. Let's get over to the interior and see what I can do with that. So we're probably going to go ahead and pull all the seats, the interior panels, all that stuff out to get the majority of this junk that's on the floor. Let's get started.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you gon' wish you shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut out the carpet just so I can get a quick look at the floors, see if there's any damage there. So let's get to cutting.
Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm...
So looks like the floor is pushed up here, probably from when they moved the car around the salvage yard. But all this looks nice and solid. Let's get it vacuumed out.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid.
So although the front's solid, it's got some surface rust up there. It does have some through rust back here in the floor, which kind of sucks, but it's just the back panel back here that just has to be replaced. It's not completely rotted out. You can see right there in the edge, so I'll have to take it up to this point. This is just surface, but yeah, we see concrete floor under there. Let's get to the other side.
My life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at?
All right. Although we don't have the rust damage, looks like when they're moving the car around, probably at the salvage yard, they broke the spot welds along this pan, but it's not rusted. Front's solid. So looks like we just have to do the repair over there and the floor repair here. Other than that, the car is solid.
Lay down and I play dead and I stay dead. Baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.
All right. So there you have it. We see the floors now. I know what I have to tackle. But if that's the only rust I have to deal with in this whole car, is replacing that back pan and this back pan here, I guess I'll take it. I'm talking about a car that probably sat in the salvage yard for, goodness, 20 years, easily. The only other spot, like the quarters are solid, rockers are solid. There's one little spot right here that I'll have to cut out and replace, and the rest of this is just surface, so a good sandblasting or soda blasting will take care of the majority of this. So there you have it. Finally dug into the T-top Coupe a little bit. All in all, I'm not surprised at what I found, but I mean, for a, what is it, 80, so it'd be 42-year-old car, I'd say it's in pretty remarkable shape, and being the fact that it is a T-top Coupe, that makes it all the more valuable to save. But I broke down the buck tag on the car. So that buck tag and that TR right there tells me it's an original T-top Coupe. Well, one of them tells me it's a coupe. The TR tells me it's a T-top roof. It was a 6-cylinder car to begin with, but that doesn't matter because I don't think anybody would leave it a 6-cylinder. It will become a 5-liter manual car or a 351 or whatever we decide to do with it, but that's probably going to be it for Fat Kid Garage. So stay tuned for more on this car. Hopefully you guys are interested in it. I'm trying to get back into doing more content and trying to get back into the game a little bit. But stay tuned. I'm out.